Hello, welcome to Byte Nihongo.
こんにちは。バイトに本語へようこそ。
Ever wondered why Japanese people say different greetings at different times of the day? Let's spend a day with Haru, from her morning to her bedtime, and see how greetings shape daily life in Japan. The sun peeks through the curtains. Haru stretches and greets her family with a bright smile. She says,
おはようございます。おはようございます。
It's used when you first meet someone in the morning. If you're talking to friends or family casually, just
おはよ
is fine. But when you greet teachers, co-workers, or elders, add
うございます。
for politeness. After breakfast, Haru puts on her shoes and calls out from the doorway, "I'm off!"
行ってきます。行ってきます。
It literally means, "I'll go and come back." It's something people always say when leaving home. And from inside, her mom replies,
いってらっしゃい。いってらっしゃい。
"Take care," or "See you later." This exchange shows care between family members, a sweet daily ritual in Japan. At school, Haru meets her classmates. She waves and says, "Hello," or "Good afternoon."
こんにちは。こんにちは。
This greeting is used from late morning until sunset. Fun fact, if you meet someone again later in the day, you don't say, "Ohayo" again. You switch to,
こんにちは。
since it's already past morning. It's the go-to greeting for daytime conversations. Before a big test, Haru's friend looks nervous. Haru smiles and cheers her up,
頑張ってください。
which means, do your best. It's more than encouragement. It's a way to show support and care. Among close friends, just saying
頑張って。
feels natural and warm. It's one of the most heartwarming phrases you'll hear every day in Japan. Classes are over. Haru waves goodbye to her friends, saying,
じゃあね。
"See ya!" It's casual and friendly, perfect between peers. There's no need to be formal here. It's like saying, "Bye," with a smile. If you're leaving for a long time, you'd use,
さようなら。
but for everyday partings,
じゃあね。
feels much more natural. In the evening, Haru heads to her part-time job. She sees her coworker and greets them respectfully.
お疲れ様です。お疲れ様です。
It literally means you're tired, but the feeling is, thank you for your hard work. It's used as a greeting at work or when acknowledging someone's effort. You can say it when you arrive, during work, or when leaving. It's one of Japan's most common workplace expressions, full of respect and appreciation. After work, the sky turns orange. Haru walks home through quiet streets and meets her neighbor. She smiles and says, "Good evening."
こんばんは。
It's used after sunset, when the day slows down. A calm, polite greeting that feels gentle, perfect for peaceful evening moments. Finally home, Haru opens the door and announces,
ただいま。ただいま。
"I'm home." Her family replies, "Welcome back."
おかえり。おかえり。
This little exchange happens in almost every Japanese household. It's more than a greeting. It's a sign of safety, warmth, and connection after a long day. Before sleeping, Haru turns off the lights and says softly, "Good night."
おやすみなさい。
It's used when going to bed, especially with family or friends. If you're talking casually, just
おやすみ。
is fine. A kind way to end the day, polite, peaceful, and caring. That was Haru's day, filled with everyday greetings that make daily life in Japan so warm and respectful. Each word carries more than meaning. It carries connection. Which greeting will you try today? Practice with me in the comments.